What's up, guys? I'm Jason. This is the Freeburg Garage. Today we are testing out some 18-liter bags by Kemimoto. They've been kind enough to send these to me. We're going to open them up, go over the specs, get them on the bike, and hit the road. Alright, so this is how it comes to your door, shipped. Brown box. Let's open it up, check it out. Going over the outside first, we got a couple chrome buttons here. Buckle, quick release, which is fairly new that I've seen before on these. It's pretty sweet. Just goes like that, locks it down. Super easy to take on and off rather than the standard buckle. Both sides. A red accent there instead of a standard black. You got the beveled edges to help with footing. Another little strap area to help with attaching. Nice felt on the inside of there. Double zipper. And a Velcro at the end here. That up. We have our mounting here. We're going to do that in a little bit. And there we are. Water bottle, gas bottle, whatever you want to call it, bottle. It's going to be attached on the side there. So that way you have extra storage. Both bags come with these. You also have a Velcro storage area right here, which is nice. And this is water resistant. Let's get the water bottle holders on here, see how they go on and see how they look. Alright, then we would go through the buckle loop like that. Alright, good to hold right there. I'll get the other one set up and then we're going to kind of get this placed and mounted. So these are universal fit, like I said, so we're just going to lace these up so that they're ready to go and put them on the bike. So we're going to take our rope here supplied by Kemimoto and put it on both sides here. Alright, and do another one on the other side here. Getting the bike set up with the bags, real simple process. It's a universal fit for any motorcycle. They're gonna go underneath your seat. You'll be able to lock them down, make sure that they're secured. On the FXR, doesn't get any easier. We're just gonna pop it open right here on the seat latch. Gives us access right to the back. Take the bags, drape them over, finagle the seat, just like that. And latch down. There we are. And we're gonna load these up. We got a jump starter right there. Throw that in there. And we got toolbox. Some dikes. And a crescent wrench. Use a double zipper, keep them away from the elements. Velcro that down, make sure it's all secured. We do our quick latches here, there, and there. Real simple, fast, easy. Let's get on the road, check them out.
On the bike, gonna see how these saddlebags hold up on our first stop here. Gonna grab something to fill up these holsters on the bags and get them adjusted, and then we'll do another stop, kind of walk around and see how they look. Give you guys the full tour of them in the bright shiny light of the outside. All right, let's lace these up. There we go. Get there. And there. Sweet. Let's hit the road. Woo! Alright, next up we'll do a walk around, check them out, give you guys quick impressions and review of these saddlebags. 18-liter bags with a red accent on them, alright? See that? All right, quick walkthrough right now, how I got my stuff loaded up. Right now, I got the water bottle in the back, of course. There's the rear shot of it. Looks pretty good. I mean, I like that stance. Kind of reminds me of a bit of a FLH style road or saddlebags in the back. Like, dig that. Kind of hides them away a bit. And let's see here, what do I got stashed on my side here? Just do some quick tools, kind of just showing what this bag can hold. And I mean, I got literally my basics. I got a small tool set here, doing my big crescent wrench, pair of dikes on the bottom. Like, you could just keep stacking this bad boy up quite a bit. So these 18 liters, I mean, you got your double zip here, bam. I'm gonna Velcro that again, and then we're going to button this up. There we go, set to go. I mean, that 18 liter, whether you like the red or all black, I mean, it fits well. Like, the geometry of the bag itself, and something that I really dig on that. Looks good. All right, then once again, I got water bottle over here. Open this up. I got my tripod here. I'm gonna take a couple shots. We got my jump pack, pretty much ready to rock. The only thing I didn't stash in there, which, you know, I have my backpack on because I got extra filming stuff, is my camera. I got that in my backpack. It's just like an OCD thing, but these things would hold it just fine. But look at it. All right, better in the sunlight than the dingy garage, showing you guys. See a little bit better. Full profile. It looks smooth to me. So there you guys have it. There is the Kemimoto 18 liter bags with the back saddle for your anything can, gas can, water bottle. You can adjust them on the fly. I dig that, because if you're going far distance, depending on what bike you have, if you have a Sportster, I mean, you need those extra gallons of gas to be brought with you. I've been in some scary times of running out of gas and no one being around to get some more. And then with my tank up front, with this being a smaller tank compared to the road glides, the street glides of touring, like, this is a great option to throw on there, get some stuff. So if these bags interest you at all, there will be a discount below on the description. Go check them out. Kemimoto, thanks again. And as always, guys, if you have made it all the way through, I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below, and tell me what you think. For those who've already subscribed, thank you. And as always, stay free. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.